Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix Samsung USB connector connected disconnected problem. So to resolve this problem you need to simply watch this video till the end. So now to resolve the Samsung USB connector connected disconnected error, you can simply start by inspecting and cleaning the port for debris. Then try using a different high quality USB cable. So if the problem persists, try to consider resetting your USB settings, clearing the USB related app data, or checking for some software updates. In some cases, a hardware test or even a factory reset might be necessary. So by following these simple, easy ways, you can simply fix the problem of Samsung USB connector connected disconnected problem. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.